How's it going, guys? I'm attempting to make a little money with my 3D printer. So this is a battery holder that I'm trying to sell on eBay. Actually, I sold a few of them and I'm kind of behind because my printer isn't working quite right. I still have some parts that I'm waiting on. So this is my trash pile. I've got a couple of them over here that just don't fit. This one fits, but it has tape stuck to the back of it. That's why I bought this glass plate, but I'm just having a lot of issues with it. Anyway, obviously I'm an amateur at this, so still working on it, but that's how it's going right now. And I think I said in a previous video that I ordered a Y carriage, so to replace this. I did have a really thick thing of plywood that I cut one out of just to, I don't know, because it was more sturdy, but I was having issues with that too, so just a bunch of problems. Anyway, so I guess I don't really know what the point of this video was, but I just wanted to show that I'm making stuff and messing up, and I guess trial and error is just kind of part of 3D printing. So that's what's going on. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.